U.S. President Bill Clinton says more must be done to protect Internet security and privacy following the recent attacks on major Internet websites. But he stopped short Tuesday of comparing those attacks to an electronic Pearl Harbor, as some have described them.
Look, it's a source of concern, but I don't think we should leave here with this vast sense of insecurity. We ought to leave here with a sense of confidence that this is a challenge that was entirely predictable. It's part of the price of the success of the Internet, and we're all determined to work together to meet it.
Mr. Clinton made the remarks during a White House meeting with computer industry leaders. He had called the meeting to discuss Internet security measures. Last week, computer hackers temporarily disabled some of the biggest sites on the web, including Yahoo, eBay, and CNN.com. The FBI is preparing to question several suspects in the Internet attack after authorities were able to link the hackers' aliases to their real names and addresses. The White House has requested $2 billion for fiscal year 2001 to protect the government's computer infrastructure against hacking and online terrorism. Mr. Clinton has also endorsed the creation of a national cybersecurity center in which companies can work together to prevent future attacks. Officials say technological defenses against cyber attacks should be made available to the burgeoning Internet industry.